do you guys really pet elephants in your backyard?
Malayalis, they always have everything on, banana leaves. Please, I can't hear it again because we do have plates and bowls at home.
If your state had a dating profile, what would the bio say?
Question
I can't
mark.
even repeat it.
Going back to where we belong, jungle mein hoonga.
The most important, which state has the best biryani?
Oh. When they say, where is Thekwa? And it's like not wa, it's Thekwa. Like choti u ki matra, not like really you have to stretch it out.
Thekwa?
Yes.
Thekwa.
Okay, they can be polchu, pochol, posto, bhola, babalu. It can be anything.
Hello people, welcome to PowerPod Season 2 Episode 3. This is Ayushi and today we're going to talk about a beautiful chaos that is India's cultural differences. Today I've got three pretty amazing girls with me. Thank you so much for joining me, Rapti, Nitya and Ash. So today we are going to talk about a hilarious journey. We're going to cover different states, cultural differences, stereotypes, which both divide and unite us all together.
Okay.
So grab some chai and get ready for some desi drama. So guys, talking about stereotypes first of all, tell me what's the most ridiculous stereotype that have, got you saying, wait, what?
I think I'll go first for this.
Yeah.
I think I am Bengali, by the way, guys. So I think the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear that is I eat fish and rice every single day for every single meals. But that is so not true.
God, seriously?
Yes.
This is true.
Bengali cuisine is much diverse and much more inclusive of vegetables. So yeah, that's one ridiculous stereotype.
So hi guys, I'm Nitya and I belong to the state Jharkhand. So I think, wait, what scenario for me would be like, do you guys really pet elephants in your backyard? Like, seriously, I get it. I mean, we do have elephants coming in and giving us, joy rides in our backyards and homes, but no, we do not pet them. We do have a very, diverse wildlife sanctuary, and you might have heard always like news like elephants are crushing this home, that backyard, that river. But honestly, I think as much as I've loved, riding elephants and camels too in my childhood, but no, we do not pet them.
Okay. So what about you, Ash?
I think the stereotype that made me go like that was that Malayalis, they always have everything on, banana leaves. Please, I can't hear it again because we do have plates and bowls at home. It's very funny. Another thing that I heard was that we travel to places on boats, like you row boats to go to school and stuff like that. We don't.
That would be amazing though.
I agree because how our parents say we climb that hill to go to school and stuff like that. So yeah, but no, we have buses, we have public transport, so that's also not a good. I don't know where that even comes from. But that's the answer.
If your state had a dating profile, what would the bio say? Ash.
Okay. I don't know if I'll get cancelled for saying this, but it'll probably say beef and parota and kai kya poha, which means, are you coming with me? Like, can you come with me to have beef and parota?
Oh, that's so nice.
What's the sentence?
Beef and parota and kai kya poha.
Oh,
Question
I can't
mark.
even repeat it.
Oh, by the way, fun fact, Malayalam is said to be one of the hardest languages to learn and say.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I could literally
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
relate to that. I actually, for a second, I wanted to try it.
Okay, question.
But then I gave up.
Mani Ratnam Malayalam? No? But he has composed some songs.
Yeah, he
He
has.
has, no? Yeah.
Okay, moving forward.
Going back to where we belong, jungle mein hoonga.
I have a very vivid picture of that.
I mean, of course, but
There is also a movie, with that name. If
हाँ जंगल में
है ना?
Yeah, there is one.
yes.
Yeah.
I just thought of Jungli Jawani.
Well, I can take that.
Jackie Jawani is a metaphor from ये जवानी है दीवानी,
No,
right?
no, no. Rockstar, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Rockstar. Yes, yeah.
I think parody in the fact that Jharkhand, the word translates to jungle, and
Oh,
Jhar
okay.
means
Oh yeah.
it's
Right.
that so, and
Okay.
Khand, so it's like all place where you'll find woody jungles, and I mean. Geographical fact, not a fun one, but Jharkhand is the most green state of the country, so
Okay.
that's right.
Okay, cool. What about you, Rapti?
I think I would say, do you want to go on a date? Because we ace it all from sweet to savory. Because I am a sweet tooth, but the Bengalis have really good savory dishes as well. So if somebody prefers that, then
Oh, that was literally very sweet.
yeah. Thank you.
So let's settle this once for all. Very important question. The most important. Which state has the best biryani?
Oh, tough one.
I might get cancelled for this because it's not my state.
Wait, what state were you gonna say?
I was gonna say UP, Lucknow ka biryani.
Right. Okay. I have to go with like my state.
I mean, I'm not sure if people have heard it, but the mutton bhat in Bihar is
It's amazing.
no
Yeah.
takkar to any state. But personally, I don't like biryani. So, but still, I think the ones that I've had is all in Bihar, and so Bihari biryani. If I don't know if that's a term also.
I
or
have
not.
heard about bhat from Instagram reels. I don't know from where it got super viral. Bihari,
Yes.
the mutton bhat or something.
Mutton
Aloo bhat. Yeah,
Aloo
that
bhat,
was
yeah.
aloo bhat. Oh god. I was like, it looked very delicious.
But I think to most people it'll be their, state ka biryani because they have like nostalgia also attached to it. That's what they've been having from their childhood. So that's
True,
also
but the only reason I don't like my state's biryani is it's amazing, guys. By the way, guys, it's very light. It's not even heavy, but I don't like potatoes, and potato is a huge part of our biryani.
she's a Bengali cancer.
Seriously.
So yeah, no aloo in my biryani. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Moving forward, what's the one local food from your state that everyone mispronounces? Ash.
I don't really know if this is the right answer because in Kerala we call it dosha. Okay, but
Okay.
it's more popular as dosa or dosai. But I completely understand it because in Tamil Nadu it's called dosa and other places called dosai. But for me it's always dosha. So if someone
Dosha,
in my
okay.
vicinity says ki wanna have dosa, I'm like, no, it's dosha. What do you mean? So yeah, that's that.
Yeah, in North we only call
Haan,
that
dosa.
dosa. Yeah. But that was good, informative dosha. Yeah. So what about you, Nitya?
I think there has to be two, and these are very famous. Food from the state. The first one is Thekwa, and this is a like prasad of Chhat Puja. That's like the main prasad, and
Okay.
people like for any reason, for any Bihari, they do not go home for the whole of the year. But if you're not home for Chhat Puja, then you are missing it out really. And the very fact, like I've had friends like from all these states, and by the way, Jharkhand is a cosmopolitan, meaning you have like everyone, like Sikhs, Muslims, Christianity, everyone, everything, and we celebrate it so huge. But when they say where is Thekwa, and it's like not kua, it's Thekwa, like choti u ki matra, not like really you have to stretch it out.
Thekwa?
Yes,
Thekwa.
Thekwa, like yeah, we say
Thekwa.
Thekwa.
Yeah, that's a sweet one.
And the other one is Litti Chokha. So it's Litti Chokha and it's not Little Chokha.
Little chokha.
Okay.
Litti chokha.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's like Chokha.
Hmm.
Chokha is like, of course,
Yeah.
the mashed potato in other states, whatever you can call it, even bharta and stuff, like Chokha is what we call it. But people say it's Chokha. I'm like, no.
Okay. So what's normal in your state but would shock people from other states? Ash. Oh.
I think it has to be the fact that everyone in Kerala, like the majority of people in Kerala, they are non-vegetarians, irrespective of their religion. Like you can be a Hindu, you can be a Brahmin, doesn't really matter. But you will definitely have like non-veg.
Okay. Brahman guys having non-veg.
That is same for us. Meat.
Literally?
Yeah.
What about you, Rapti?
I don't think it's going to be a shock. It's more of like a trivia kind of a thing. So there is also a similarity with other cultures, but in Bengal, everybody has two names. Like one is a formal name and one is a dark name, which basically is something that is like your loved name that you people around you call. Not that I'm going to reveal mine.
Oh,
But,
I was hoping to get that.
Yeah, I was also
Because they're embarrassing, okay? They can be Polchu, Pochol, Posto, Bhola, Babalu. It can be anything. So those are embarrassing names.
I remember one of my Bengali best friends in school had this name. Sorry, guys. I apologize. Shona.
Oh,
Shona.
That
Shona is very common. Yeah.
I also heard this from my Bengali friend only.
Yeah. Like it is so common that my relatives will not recognize me as Rapti.
Yeah.
Like there has been moments where my friends have called on the landline numbers and they have asked for me. They don't even know who I am. So it's like that. Yeah.
I literally want to, say a Bengali line. So
If you say the stereotypical,
can you please help
what
me out?
what
Including
I
Shona
love you,
word in
Pooja.
it. Or maybe we all can try.
Shona is basically baby in Bengali.
Okay.
So just how are you wanna learn?
Yeah, how are you?
Okay.
Sounds good.
Shona,
Shona.
tumi kemon acho?
Once more.
Shona, comma, ठीक है?
Shona, comma.
Tumi
Tumi,
kemon
Camon,
acho?
Acho.
Yeah.
Shona, Tumi, Camon, Acho.
अब्बास बेटा
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's great.
Yeah.
So this wraps up our cultural expedition. Do like, share and subscribe Girl Power Talk for more such content. This is Ayushi signing off.